What if I told you that most people are paying hundreds of dollars every month for software they don't actually need? What if I told you that most people are paying hundreds of dollars every month for software they don't actually need? I'm talking about Notion AI at $16 per month, Jasper at $49, Adobe Firefly, Grammarly Premium, Otter AI. It adds up fast, really fast. I spent 2 weeks testing free AI tools to see if any of them could actually replace these paid ones. And honestly, I was shocked by what I found. 5 tools, all completely free, all doing the exact same job, or better, than software people are paying over $500 a month for combined. Let's get into it. Quick note before we start. I'm going to cover 5 categories: writing, image generation, transcription, productivity, and coding. 1 free tool for each. I tested every single one of these myself for real tasks, not just demo videos. So you're getting an honest take, including the limitations. If any of these tools have affiliate links, they're in the description. Using them is completely free for you and helps support this channel. Alright, let's go. Tool number 1 replaces Jasper, the AI writing assistant that costs $49 a month. The free alternative, Claude.ai, or ChatGPT free, both work. Here's the thing about Jasper. It's built on the same underlying AI models as Claude and ChatGPT. You're essentially paying for a prettier interface around technology you can already access for free. I tested both on the same task. Write a product description for a wireless keyboard, SEO optimized, under 150 words. Jasper gave me a decent result. Claude gave me something better, more natural, better flow, actually sounded like a human wrote it. For blog posts, emails, ad copy, social media content. The free tools are genuinely better in most cases. The only real advantage Jasper has is templates and team workflows. If you're a solo creator or small business, you don't need it. Free alternative, Claude.ai or ChatGPT, saves you $49 a month. Tool number 2 replaces Adobe Firefly, $23 a month as part of Adobe Creative Cloud. The free alternative is Ideogram.ai, and if you want more control, Leonardo AI also has a very generous free tier. Adobe Firefly is great for integration with Photoshop, but if you're using it purely for image generation, Ideogram is right there with it. I generated the same 5 prompts on both platforms: product mockups, social media graphics, illustrated backgrounds. The results? Honestly comparable. In 2 of the 5 prompts, I actually preferred the ideogram output. Leonardo gives you more customization, style presets, aspect ratios, model selection. The free plan gives you around 150 tokens per day, which is more than enough for most creators. Free alternative, Ideogram or Leonardo AI, saves you $23 a month. Tool number 3 replaces Otter AI, $17 a month for meeting transcription and summaries. The free alternative, tldv.io. It transcribes your Zoom and Google Meet calls, generates AI summaries, and highlights key moments for free. I recorded a 20-minute meeting and ran it through both. The transcription accuracy was almost identical. The summary quality from TLDV was actually more structured. It pulled out action items and decisions automatically. The free plan gives you unlimited recordings on Google Meet and Zoom. That alone would cost you over $200 a year on Otter. If you don't do video calls, you can also use Whisper, OpenAI's transcription model. It's free, open source, and incredibly accurate. You can run it through several free interfaces online without installing anything. Free alternative, TLDV or Whisper, saves you $17 a month. Tool number 4 replaces Notion AI, $16 a month on top of the free Notion plan. Here's the thing. Notion AI is just a chatbot inside Notion, and you're paying $16 extra every month for it. The free alternative. Use the free version of Notion for organization and Claude or ChatGPT for the AI features. Open both in separate tabs. Copy, paste, done. Is it slightly less convenient? Sure. Is it worth $16 a month? Absolutely not. If you want everything in one place for free, Obsidian is another option. It's a local first note-taking app with no AI features built in, but it's completely free. Your data stays on your device, and there are community plugins that connect it to free AI models. Free alternative. Notion free plus Claude. Saves you $16 a month. Tool number 5 replaces GitHub Copilot. $10 a month for AI code completion. The free alternative is Codium. It's a VS Code extension that does exactly what Copilot does. Autocomplete, code generation, explanations. And it's completely free for individual developers. I tested both writing a Python script to automate file renaming. Codium suggested the same quality completions as Copilot in about 90% of cases. For the most common programming tasks, you won't notice a difference. If you want something even more powerful, Cursor has a free tier that includes Claude integration directly inside your code editor. The free plan is limited, but more than enough if you're a student or hobbyist developer. Free alternative, Codium or Cursor free tier. Saves you $10 a month. So let's recap. 5 free tools. 5 paid alternatives you can cancel today. Claude or ChatGPT replacing Jasper, $49 saved. Ideogram replacing Adobe Firefly, $23 saved. TLDV replacing Otter AI, $17 saved. Notion Free plus Claude replacing Notion AI, $16 saved. Codium replacing GitHub Copilot, $10 saved. That's $115 every single month. Gone. All the links are in the description, including free trials if you want to test the paid versions first, before making any decisions. If this was useful, subscribe. I test AI tools every week, so you don't have to waste your time or your money. See you in the next one.